Hey guys, good morning and welcome to or back to my channel. In today's video, we are kind of doing like a Monday reset vlog. It's going to be a very productive day. Right now my face is looking real shiny. I just did my skincare and then I feel like, oh my gosh, I've got like bags under my eyes. Money bags. Anyways, today's gonna be all about being productive, resetting to set the vibes for the week, the intentions for the week. I'm gonna list off some of the things that I have on my to-do list for today. The goal is to get all of these things done. I don't know how long it's gonna take to get all of these done, like if it's realistic to get them all done today. I think I can get them all done today. And I think I could even add more things because I always have like more general things that I have to do, but we'll see. I also don't want to like overload myself. So the first thing I'm gonna do is tidy up because I just function better when everything's like nice and tidy. And then I have some computer work to do. I have to pay out my talent that worked this weekend. We had a lot of events going on this weekend. And then I have some invoices to email some clients, social media edits, as well as social media posts. And then I have a new class coming up for my fitness studio, Dollhouse Fitness, that I want to teach called Technique and Tone. So I want to experiment with planning that class out. Working on some costumes. I want to deep clean and organize the bathroom, and then also train Lollipop Lira. So yeah, it's gonna be a busy day. Let's get to it. This is how the kitchen is looking. Honestly, I think it just needs like a little tidying up, like clearing off the island, putting all those things away, like a little light clean. And then I'm gonna do these dishes and put those clean dishes up. My desk is also looking a hot mess, and honestly, like, I'm gonna be here a lot today doing work on my computer, so like I need this to be nice and tidy. Alright guys, I finally finished tidying up. Everything's nice and clean now. I am gonna start on my computer work, and I've got my Greek yogurt and strawberries. This is actually my first meal. I usually just have coffee in the morning, and then once I get hungry I'll eat breakfast, which I don't think is like the healthiest or the wisest thing to do, but honestly that's just like I'm in a routine of like doing that, and anytime I force myself to eat when I'm not hungry, I just like get the egg. So yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on all the computer stuff that I have to do, like emails, paying out my talent, and social media stuff. So this past weekend on Saturday, we worked a festival called the Lemon Drop Festival in Dallas with my entertainment company, Team Dollhouse. And that's what I'm working on editing right now, and I plan on posting a recap reel from it today as well. I am on Canva, and I just wanted to edit like a cute little photo. It's obviously not anywhere near done. I just started on it, so don't judge. Also, my laptop screen is icky. I need to clean that. But anywho, I didn't want to do like a typical carousel post, like for example, posting this picture, then this picture, then this picture. Like I wanted to post just one kind of like make it look like a collage and make it cutesy. Like I want to put lemons and like words on it and just make it real cutesy, you know, to kind of match the aesthetic of the Lemon Drop Festival, and honestly just do something new. And I feel like I might start doing this from now on when I book multiple talent. So I'll book like I'll edit like a cute collage to post instead of a typical carousel post. This is kind of like what I was trying to build from scratch, and honestly the vision was there, but it was just not coming out how I was wanting. I love Canva because they have like a lot of pre-made templates, and I really liked this template. This is what I was going for. I wanted it to look like a photo collage, like super cutesy. I might actually even see if they have any backgrounds that have like repetitive lemons. I think that would be cuter. And then it's so cute. We put the date here, Lemon Drop Festival, and just like some pictures of the entertainers that we had. So we had a mirror man, we had a champagne skirt hostess, aka me, a disco ball head flow dancer, and then I also did a little bit of flow dancing with the wings too. So let me see if I can find a lemon background. I think that would be so cute. I ended up finding some lemon backgrounds, and I'm just going to experiment with different ones and see which one I like best. So here's one. I don't really know. I'm kind of not feeling that one. This is another one. No. No. What about this one? Let's see. I don't know. I wish you guys could talk to me in real time and let me know which one looks cute. I feel like I kind of like this one just because it's not as crazy as the other ones. I'm just gonna keep comparing them and see which one I like best. Alrighty, so this is how it's looking. I changed the text so that it's more eligible. Oh wait, no, not eligible. Legible, right? You can read it better. And I stuck to that really minimalistic background because I felt like the other ones were just too loud, and I want the main focus to be the photos, not the background. But I do love that the background has cutesy little lemons, and it's giving what I had wanted it to give, you know, kind of like on theme, cute, kind of feels like a memory collage of the event. But yeah, I'm not gonna post this today. I'm gonna post a reel today. I just uploaded the reel. Let's go ahead and watch it. I turned the audio off just in case for copyright purposes. But yeah, it's just kind of a recap of the different acts that we had at the event. Okay, so I am gonna do a quick little trial for my tone and technique class. So there's some different exercises that I want to test out and just kind of like see how I want to structure that class, since this is a brand new class. It's something that I've never taught before, so I just kind of want to, you know, do a little test run. I have some exercises here that I want to try out and just see how I want to organize everything and like how many sets and reps I should do of each thing. Basically, this class is going to be designed to build strength and help in certain things tailored to dancers and aerialists, but honestly anyone can take the class, especially if you want to get stronger and fit. It's open to anyone and everyone, and also open level. But yeah, I am going to specifically design it for dancers to have prettier lines, stronger, you know, just be stronger in general, so they're able to actively hold pretty poses instead of just passively, which I think is really, really important, especially if you're both an aerialist and a dancer. You need to be able to have the strength to actively hold stuff instead of just passively. Hey y'all, so let's clean this bathroom. I need to do a deep cleaning as well as organize some stuff. The mirror is looking so icky, ew. Also, I'm doing a voiceover because this is what it sounded like. We are working on construction at the moment, so yeah, it was really noisy in the background. I really was disgusted by these little caddy things, and that's one of the main reasons why I wanted a deep clean, because I was like, ew. I usually do like a regular cleaning once a week, but you know, it was definitely time for a deep cleaning. So there's this little mixture I make to clean the bathroom with. So I clean the sink with it, the toilet, and then also the bathtub. And I want to put y'all on to my little recipe. So it's baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, and dish soap, and it works amazing. And the dish soap that I use is scented, so it also ends up smelling good, and I swear it works wonders. So yeah, I use that mixture, and then the stuff that I was spraying in the spray bottle is the Mr. Clean. It's the blue one, and it smells so freaking good. That is like my favorite multi-purpose spray. I don't know about you guys, but lately I've been like obsessed with watching cleaning videos. Like I can sit there for hours and just watch cleaning videos. They're so satisfying to me. And then obviously I love to clean. I pretty much clean like every day, like just a regular tidying up, but I love like getting in there and doing deep cleaning. Yeah, so these little caddy things were super disgusting. I had to scrub away. Also ignore all that lint on my back. Apparently the sweater I was wearing like sheds lint like crazy, and my back was looking super crazy. So aside from the deep cleaning, I also wanted to organize this little cabinet and the cabinet below the sink as well. And honestly, I'm so glad I did, because there's a lot of things that I ended up throwing away because they were, you know, expired, or honestly we don't even use them. And then I'm just rearranging things in a more aesthetic way here, cleaning the inside of the cabinets because they were a little bit dirty, but everything was just looking super cluttery, and I hate that. So I just like to line things up to where it looks a little more organized. And here is the bottom of the sink cabinet, and this one is a super hot mess. There was a lot of things that I ended up throwing away here that were like super expired, or honestly we just don't even use it. Like I don't even know where half of that stuff came from. But yeah, definitely did some organizing here as well. Hey guys, so I just finished all the bathroom stuff, like deep cleaning it and organizing a little bit. And I wanted to train Lollipop, but honestly I am just so burnt out from today. I don't have it in me to train that today, but I'll train it tomorrow. So I actually just want to go to the park for a little walk and just enjoy the sunset. And yeah, I haven't been outside all day, so I'm like, I need some fresh air. I need to be by some nature, and that's just how I'm gonna end my work day. I was also pretty much able to get everything done aside from working on costumes and training Lollipop, which I will just roll over onto tomorrow. Honestly, this week isn't super duper busy for me, so anything that I couldn't do today, I can just do it another day. We still have the entire week. It's only Monday, so no biggie. So yeah, I'll meet you guys at the park.